Hey guys, it's me, Mia. I've been MIA, but I am back to go over the Artsnacks Plus box for the month of August. The first item I have is the Stabilo .88 Fineliners. This is a set of 8, and the set I have comes in pastel colors. The second item is King Art Pro Color brush pens. These brush pens contain water-based ink, which means they can be reactivated with water. My set contains a gray and various shades of blue. This is interesting. This is the Crescent Render No Show Through Lay Flat sketchbook. This sketchbook is 8.5 by 11 inches, and I apologize if you can't see it in its entirety. I'm recording with my phone, and if I use the camera's zoom out feature, it'll make my hands look freakishly large. But anyway, this paper is supposed to be completely resistant to bleeding from alcohol-based markers, so you can use the front and the back of each page. Moving on, here's my snack for the month. It's Airhead's watermelon flavor candy. Time to open up this little green package. So, this is weird. Another fine liner, same size as the ones in the package. It's not pastel, but I don't understand the point of adding a loose fine liner, but I guess it is what it is. But okay, let's see what we have next. Yay! Here is my Copic sketch marker in peacock blue. This marker has a chisel and brush nib. I'm really happy to add this to my Copic collection. My little Artsnacks sticker, also blue. And last we have this Unikuru Toga Advanced Mechanical Pencil, 0.5 mm. Okay, so this Advanced Mechanical Pencil has this feature that rotates the lid as you write with it. This pencil also has a sliding sleeve to protect the lid when you're not using it. Okay, so that's all that was in the box. Let's start swatching. I'm really excited to try out this Crescent Render sketchbook. However, it has a strong chemical smell coming from it. I don't know what's up with that, but this sketchbook is supposed to lay flat and it is not. So I'm holding the pages down with objects on my desk. This Unikuru mechanical pencil is very nice looking, but it took me a while to figure out how to get this thing to work. All of the words on the packaging are in Japanese, and the diagram on the back of the package looks way too technical for me. So through sheer luck, I was able to get the lid to come out of the pencil. I'm not sure what type of lid this is, but I'm going to guess and say HB. Now to the fine liners. The line width is 0.4 millimeters, so very fine. The colors are very pretty, but the yellow and blue were way too light for me to see on the page. The Copic marker works just the way it's supposed to. No issues here. Let's swatch these brush pens. These are beautiful ocean or sky-inspired colors. And I did mention this is water-based ink, so it can be reactivated with water. So now I'm applying the Copic marker heavily to the paper to see if it bleeds through or not. And surprise! There's no bleeding on the back of the page at all. Okay, you guys, let's draw something. So the box for this month was pretty decent. I think it was pointless to add a loose fine liner to the box when there was already a set of 8 fine liners. But like I said, this box was decent. However, another Copic marker could have been thrown in there. With the exception of the fine liners, most of the colors I have are various shades of blue. I guess that's a good thing considering Artsnacks is notorious for throwing odd color combinations together. Anywho, the drawing that I'm working on is pretty much going to be mostly monochromatic. I'm only using the fine liners to add details or color to very small areas. I'm not even going to scribble large areas with these fine liners because the end result just won't look right. And I wanted to use the pastel blue fine liner, but I lost it somewhere. I looked in my art room, my purse, my car, and it's just missing. The paper in this sketchbook is quite thick and sturdy. It's 110 pounds, 180 GSMs. This sketchbook is supposed to accept all mediums. However, when I used the brush pens, the paper started to peel. And to be honest with you, I don't care for brush pens. I find them good for lettering, but that's pretty much it. They kind of remind me of watercolor pencils. But guess what, you guys? We have finally reached 500 subscribers. I really appreciate all of you who have subscribed, liked, and commented on my videos. I hope you found them informative and somewhat entertaining. In a couple days, I'm going to post a video telling you how to enter my giveaway and what the prize is going to be. I am so excited! So, if you've made it this far in the video, post the cloud emoji. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you soon.